Hi everybody, just a quick video of an experience with Land Rover. I'm sat in a Discovery Sport and it went for a steering rack recall yesterday, and as part of the inspection that they do on your vehicle, they said that the near side rear exhaust bracket was broken. So they quoted me an astonishing £910 to repair the bracket. So I thought I'd show you what the actual problem is. So as I say, it's a Discovery Sport 2015. Nice car. And underneath here is the near side rear exhaust, and in particular you can see the problem where it's just simply rusted away. Now fortunately it's held on by another one there, so whilst yes it is important that it's repaired, I don't think £910 is a reasonable deal. So just to show you the other side, on the offside rear, it is like that, which is also probably going to corrode and break off eventually, but at the moment I have a plan to repair it. So that's the rusted bracket, and I bought this off eBay for £17. And what it is, it's just a simple bracket with a clamp that goes around. So I'm going to attempt to put this on the vehicle and see how that works. So this is my temporary fix, just to at least keep it under control if it did come off the other hanger, which is there. So I'm going to undo that and fit this this bracket. Okay, so just put a bit of grease on the rubber. So I struggled to get it on when it's all clamped up, so I've taken the clamp off and I'm trying to force this on. Nearly there. Okay, so it's probably a little bit too high. Maybe it's not, I don't know. What do you guys think? So it's a more sturdier fixing than that temporary cable. And that just wants tightening up. And I know it's not absolutely ideal. It would normally want welding, but if you haven't got a welder, £17 off eBay I think is a reasonable alternative. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Cheers guys.